Tell me what you got. I can't do this on my own.
Happy 4th of July, everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today we have a show for you. It is going to be unbelievable. Like I said in the last video, we have probably the best fireworks show you're gonna ever see done by one person or one video or one YouTuber. So we got a great friend here that put everything together, Mr. Hyatt, and stay tuned because it's gonna be unbelievable. You guys saw the little clips. We have stuff set up. Kids went to work, the dad went to work. A lot of thoughts and brains and skills went into this. So stay tuned. Happy 4th. Everybody be safe. Don't get hurt. Don't get the virus. Don't get whatever. I don't know. Don't get burned. Whatever you want to do, but enjoy the video. Let's go.
Yeah, I've been so distant, but it ain't gonna be like that tonight. Just tell me if you're with it. I promise you ain't wasting your time.
Alright guys, we're here. These are the people. Oh yeah. Look at this.
These are the people.
These are the people.
No, no. Tell me where you go. Tell me where you go.
What's up, boys? You guys ready for the 4th?
Yes, we're
You guys
ready?
ready?
For the 4th, guys.
You guys ready to light some stuff
Hyatt
up?
House, and they have bought amazing fireworks thanks to them, and we're gonna fire them.
What is that big thing? Are you gonna like hold that while we launched it, or what's that?
No, we're gonna stick it to the ground.
Stick it in the ground.
You're supposed to, but it's gonna
Cyber candle.
140 shot Roman candle.
Oh boy.
gonna
And
be
what is this
crazy.
you got here?
We got some sparkler swords,
Sparkler
and
sword.
this is only 1% of what we have.
Are you guys gonna do a sword fight with that when you light it?
No, we're gonna kill each other.
Oh.
I promise you ain't wasting your time. I got a lot of people trying to bring me down, but we don't got time to worry about these problems now. So just hop in the ride and let me show you what I'm about. Baby, it's gonna be alright, let's just play this music loud. So where you wanna go?
Don't worry, I wash my hands, people.
Get double bounce. You absorbed that in your legs. You didn't even like get double bounce.
I don't want me to get double bounce.
Oh, Titus is scared.
She closed the zipper. Toast.
All right. Having some 4th of July hot dog.
I'm gonna mail.
Is that your 10th hot dog?
That's my favorite one.
Oh, just mustard? All right. Enjoy. We're waiting for the fireworks. I don't know. Look at the trees. It's a little windy today. I don't know. We can do fireworks here, Ace.
I'm gonna freak out.
Titus. Oh, you got hot dog and wings.
Did you guys hear the neighbors?
What?
Look.
They scream? That's not funny.
Are we starting now?
I'm Hogwarts.
Are we starting?
Yeah.
Okay, what are we doing?
I went to
Wait, you
Hogwarts
gotta go
as
over
a
there.
child.
Look at that.
Yeah, let's not light up that
What?
box right there.
I went to Hogwarts as a child.
Yes.
We're gonna start with sparkles.
I met Harry Potter. He was
All right,
a
let's
jerk.
go, Ace. Light them up. Let's see what this does. Don't be a chicken.
I'm not.
I'm gonna start mine.
Yeah, put it together. There you go. Put it together. Oh, there you go.
Got him.
Woo, run around the cul-de-sac. 4th of July, 2020. Here we go.
I am magic.
Look at Max is running around. What are you doing?
I like to play with
Why don't you get Grayson too? Come on.
Hey, Max. Give me the lighter.
Come on, Titus. What are you doing? Just chilling back, watching? Let's go. Come on. Titus too, guys. Okay, here. Maddox, get Titus.
Mine light out. Mine died.
Your died? Yours died?
All right, here we go.
They usually last this
Oh,
long.
Titus.
No. Oh my goodness.
All right, guys, check this out. We got the 16,000 Thunder Bomb We're gonna roll this thing out and we're gonna light up the whole neighborhood or the cul-de-sac. Like, holy cow, this thing weighs like 30 pounds or something. Oh, lift it, bud. We're gonna make some noise tonight. Stay tuned. All right, what are you doing? Oh boy, you just lit. I was asking you a question. What is this thing?
Whoa!
Whoa!
My man, give me one of them. Give me one of them.
Look at this.
Wait, you're gonna... Yo!
What is-
Whoa, that looks so cool!
Look at this.
Hey, get that away from me.
That is
Still
smoky.
going. You guys,
Look at this
still
thing.
going. Dude, those are so annoying.
Oh, what, we got another smoke bomb? Or we're gonna just light up the whole cul-de-sac with smoke?
I guess. We're gonna get the helicopter to land.
Wait, no,
Oh,
just
here we
shoot,
go.
man.
Oh, you're getting brave now.
We're getting brave, boy. Another green. Whoa.
Oh, that was gonna blow up.
Really? How do you know?
Woo.
So loud. Here, Maddox, light this.
Run.
We're both together?
What's that?
Oh, there's a white smoke.
It's just white.
Oh, yeah. Go, Ace. You gonna suck in all that smoke?
I was doing it in the white one.
Whoa, look at this.
Are you ready? Are we ready? This is just the beginning. The beginning.
I am speed.
That's where you use, like,
Get-
you
stop
throw
that
them in a battlefield.
Oh, let's do the sword. Look at the sword. What is called the warrior sword. Go, Titus. Woo! Here's the warrior. Whoa, look at it. The warrior sword. That's pretty cool.
I told you it gets real.
Another warrior sword. Oh my god! Are you okay?
Whoa, is that louder than another one?
I have no idea. Was that funny?
Yeah, that's fine.
See, that's what it's all about.
I want to use these.
You gotta wait. You can't do that. You gotta wait for that, man.
Scared me.
40 minutes into
What?
the night.
What is that?
My head.
Oh boy! And you light that up?
Yes. Fiery skull.
Really? Look at this. Wow.
Look at this. I'm
That's-
using
look,
this.
that looks crazy. Let me see that. Wow. 4th of July special.
Yeah.
I have a secret firework.
Okay. Titus, don't do it in his head.
Alright, guys, we're getting the, what are these called? Big cannons?
Whatever these are, motors.
Hey, Grayson, will you
We
grab
are going to
those two
test
pieces
this
of wood
out
right there?
before, because we got a whole bunch,
Yes.
but we got to do a test run.
Oh my god, these are going to be so loud.
Make sure that it's going to work.
Big old cannons. We have like 10 millions of them. So we're going to just fire them, test them. We'll be all good.
All right, guys, this is what we got, okay? We got these huge platform that we made with 12 shots here. 12 shots. We got it all tied up together. We're gonna light right here, and it's gonna launch. Boom, 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 boom. That's the key. That's the theory. So we're gonna
Come on,
test
boys.
it right now.
Guys
So
should back up.
hope you guys enjoyed. This is the test run for what's to come. Hope this goes well. It's gonna go either really bad or really good. We'll see. All right, Ace is gonna launch.
Try and light it.
Oh, it is lit. It is lit.
Dude, this can be loud.
No, dude.
Come on, work. Work. Work.
All right, here we go. Whoa! Holy moly, that is loud. Okay. Oh my God. Oh boy. There's more. 3 of them. 2 of them. And the last there. Whoa. All right, the timing is good, I think. Oh boy, that was crazy loud. My heart's like thumping every time it launches. I think it was good. The timing is good. Obviously, it just goes 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. There's gonna be an amazing show coming up. Look at this. All of them launched out, clean, ready for another set. All right, we're gonna do a quad testing right here. 4 of them in. Gonna light it. Hopefully, it does the same thing. All right. See what happens to this. It's lit. Oh, all 4 of them. All right, we're done with our preview. We're gonna wait for the weather to get a little dark so we can put on a good show for you guys. Hope you guys are excited as much as we are. It's gonna be crazy. All right.
Where is the Roman candle?
Run, baby, run, baby. Oh, yeah. All right, guys, we got another platform right here. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. This is all set right here for the kids. We're all glued up here.
It's like going
The kids can light them one by one without worrying about falling over or
found my
tipping
new
over.
calling.
If I die.
You won't die. Just stay ducked. Let's go, Ace. You won't die.
Nope.
You chicken!
Bad mother.
Loud.
How do you know?
Run, boys! Run, boys! It's gonna blow! All right, we're gonna do one more, and then hopefully we wait for the darkness. This is the X Factor. All right, Tiger.
I'm waiting till it's dark to light up this thing.
You want to do that really bad, huh?
It's a school.
Are you excited?
Yes.
You're happy about this 4th of July?
Yeah, I am.
2020.
Yeah.
The year 2020 has been crazy, huh?
Yes.
Yes, it has. I hope you put on a good show for us.
Yeah. What? I thought it moved.
Usually it moves. Where's that?
No, thank you.
Oh, the girls are here now. Here's Aria. Oh, nice outfit, Aria. American girl. How about Ayla? Let me see your outfit. Whoa. Boom. You got a scar. Let's see.
Here,
Wow.
which one do you want?
Wow.
I licked that one and that one. Oh, you're gonna take it? Okay, it doesn't matter anyways.
What do you say?
Was it garbage?
You want blue?
Oh yeah, it's outside.
She just got snagged. You want a blue one?
What are sisters?
You want one? You pick whichever one you want. Oh, that one's mine. I'm just kidding. You can have it. I'm just kidding.
All right, guys, here we go. It's getting dark now, and we are going to put on a fireworks show. So sit back and enjoy. We're gonna start off small, and it's gonna go big. Stay tuned. Whoa! Oh, that's gonna light other things on fire.
Oh, there goes your GoPro.
Oh, my GoPro's gonna burn. There we go. All right, looks like they lit up 2 of them this time. Ace lit 2 of them. Woo, woo.
Run for your life!
Oh. All right, Ace is gonna light the skull. I think he should be turning it this way. He might have messed up. Oh God, Ace. Wrong way. Ace. Woohoo!
Oh, geez, that's a good one.
Here we go. Woo. Arya and Ayla are inside because they're scared. They're afraid of the noise. Our little princesses. There you go. Is it fun, Titus?
Yeah, it's a yo-yo one.
Yo-yo?
Yeah, like you can see the circle.
Yeah. Don't burn the bucket.
That's so cool.
Alright guys, I hope you guys are enjoying it. The big stuffs are coming. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. It's not over yet. It's not even started yet. Alright guys.
This is critical mass.
Critical mass.
Here you go, boys.
Here we go. Woo. Alright, here we go. Now we're gonna start with the real stuff. Look at this thing. Remember that 16,000 firework? It's gonna be crazy. Alright guys, this is the 16,000 thunder bomb. Enjoy. Wow, that was crazy. 16,000 shots. Look at all this. Woo, look at all this. Now that is a mess. And let's see what happened to our GoPro. Holy, it is hot. It survived. It survived. 16,000 bomb shots. Hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, guys, what you guys been waiting for? The big stuff is here now. Wait for the show. It's gonna be crazy. First, right now we got going on. We got the platform. We got all 24. Huh? They're all 24 set up here. We're not gonna launch everything. Just one.
Just do
We'll
one
just do
for
one
now.
roll for now.
Alright, everyone get back.
Okay.
Prototype launching in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Here we go. 4 shot first. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna do 8 this time. There's 1. 2. They're coming. There we go. All right, this time we're gonna do 12.
Oh my god!
The last 3 rows right here. Time together. Oh yeah. Oh, this is gonna be massive right here. Look at this. All right, we're gonna do the 8. Oh, shoot, what was that? There we go, all 4 at the same time. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Alright, now we got 6s tied up. That was the 4s. Now we're going the other way, adding the 6.
These are 6 with fast fuse.
6
See this?
with fast fuse.
This means all of them go in one shot.
Oh yeah. Alright, this is the 6. Fast fuse.
Fast fuse 6.
Oh yeah, look at that. You see that? Oh yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
There's your candle. Blow it out. Alright guys, we're going to launch 23 motors at the same time here.
Too
One's
fast.
missing, so it's because
Too fast.
it's 23
12 regular.
at once. This is gonna be insane. Here we go. Oh! There's more coming. All right, another 24.
Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, I hope you guys are enjoying it. That is not it. The finale is coming up. Let me show you guys. Here it is. This is the finale pallet. We have it all wired together. Or something here. You just light it and it's gonna be a show. Stay tuned. Hello. You came out?
We gotta be a firework.
You're not scared anymore? Big girl. You're definitely amazed. What is that, Aria? Aria, what is that? Stuff having funnies? You ready for the finale? Big show coming up. You cold? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Hey, here we go. And light this bad boy up. Big show.
So many.
Big show.
show.
All right, here it is. The wait is over. We got the whole pallet of cakes with the 24 shots. Planning to do it all at once. Here it is. This is about to be a birthday present for our buddy Trump. All right, so for the grand finale, we got 7 cakes on one pallet and 24 mortars together, wired up. We're gonna light it. It should be about, I don't know, maybe like a 30 seconds to a minute show, hopefully. It's either gonna be a success or a failure. It'll work out, don't worry. Enjoy the show.
Look at that.
Big show. Happy birthday, America. that was so good. Wow. Mr. Hyatt, you should get paid for this. Woo, that was sweet. Hope you guys enjoyed it. What amazing 4th of July 2020. Happy birthday, America. Stay healthy, everybody. Love all you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Last one. Just for fun. Good night, everybody. Peace out.